Oh my god, Doris snores too darn loud, and also, she has been doing this 10 nights in a row. Ugh, she is sending me to the nut house, god damn it. God, I can't even handle this. I want to get out of this now, but I don't want to hurt Doris's feelings. I wish I can get her snoring loudness fixed, but I don't know how. God damn. Doris, wake up.
Huh? What is it, Boris? What do you want?
Do you mind not snoring so loudly? You kept me up 10 nights in a row. Can't you get your snoring fixed, please?
Boris, I already said this to you so many times. I am not getting fixed, so shut up and go to sleep.
Oh come on. Oh fuck this, I am going to sleep in the car.